My name is Irene, and I'm the creator of Plum Blossom Jewelry, and I'm a second-year dental student. I started making earrings regularly 3 years ago as a hobby during lockdown, but also because I wanted more clip-on options for my unpierced ears. When people asked me to start selling my work, I was hesitant. I doubted my ability to create a brand from scratch with no business experience. But I had more reasons to try it than not. I saw it as an opportunity to share my art, my heritage, and my love for clip-on jewelry. I also thought about how practicing both hand skills and business management could help me in my future career in dentistry. So, Plum Blossom Jewelry was started in my school apartment and eventually transformed into a family business. Now that I'm in dental school, my family takes care of all the orders while I do the marketing, but I make most of the orders when I get to go home. I'm really grateful that I have my family to support my journey as a dental student as well as a business owner. I'm also very grateful for the support of the Plum Blossom Jewelry community. It makes my heart so happy seeing people with or without piercings enjoy our work so much. As I learn to create beautiful smiles in school, I hope to continue creating beautiful jewelry for everybody for years to come.